Friends, ladies and gentlemen, good day everyone. Welcome once again to our daily doctrinal Bible study through the YouTube of the Vic Balbido Evangelistic Ministry. Today's topic we are going to take up is about the kingdom of God and the kingdom of heaven. The question is, describe the kingdom of God and the kingdom of heaven. First of all, the kingdom of God is where the Godhead resides and rules in majesty forever. And it is where all regenerate people reside for all eternity. How great are His revelations! How mighty His salvation! God's kingdom is an everlasting kingdom, not like a golden image, and His rule extends to every generation. For there is never a time when there are no born-again believers on the earth. Daniel 4:3. Nations and empires come and go. The kingdom of God, which reaches beyond the boundaries of time and space, will never be destroyed. On the other hand, the kingdom of heaven is a title peculiar to Matthew's gospel, and as has been demonstrated, refers to the rule of God in the earth, and while it is seen in various aspects relative to its preparation and anticipation, it refers specifically to the Messianic kingdom, which was offered, rejected, and postponed at Christ's first advent, and will yet be established over the whole earth at His second advent.